fire and your hair get wet. Your hair is in a fragile stage whenever it's wet. So if when you're sleeping and you're perspiring, it's something that I call sweet sweat. Sweet sweat because sweat have so many different properties in it, but it wet the hair. What happens to the hair? The hair you toss back and forth, back and forth. This here have a little salt in it, have a little sugar. So what happens is you get breakage from dryness. So not just the pillow is drying out your hair from you tossing and turning, where you would end up with all these split ends, but you also have to remember that once you're turning back and forth and your hair is wet, that's the perfect condition for hair breakage. But you must remember that hair breakage and hair loss is two totally different things. Hair breakage can be easily controlled by any one of those factors that I just mentioned, as well as there are deep scalp treatments, deep hair treatments that we can actually coat the hair shaft and assist you as far as protecting the hair. What I always say to clients who come into us, once you're doing a chemical relaxer, it is always necessary to protect that hair shaft. We live in the tropics. Once you live in the tropics, you're out in the sun on a daily basis. It means that you need to put some sort of gloss over that hair to fill the cracks in that hair, to fill the cuticle cracks. Because you must remember again that the cuticle, your hair have this hair shaft is made up of a cuticle, a cortex, and a medulla. The cuticle acts as shingles on the roof. So once your cuticles is like shingles on your roof, if the cuticles are damaged, it's just the whole concept of the roof. If there's no roof on your house, it means that when the rain fall or sunshine, you will be exposed to all the environmental damage. So what I always say to persons who are doing chemical treatments anywhere in the world, you need to always follow. Once it's a relaxer, you follow with a temporary color. It does not have to be a color change. It does not have to be a red color, even if it's a translucent color, just to coat the hair shaft and make your hair a little more resilient, and it also would help your hair shine. So I always make that recommendation once you're stripping the hair with any type of chemical.